Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am teaching you Ace of Hearts Valentine Day Design 2023. Nail artist Bettina Goldstein reminds us that finding love is all about the luck of the draw. With this design that mimics a deck of cards, she used a classic red polish from Azzy 2023 Valentine's Day collection. Nicely as replacement to paint the numbers and suites in this instantly recognizable tribute bonus. You can reuse the design of the World Series of Poker. Let's talk to design number 2, Half Moon Kiss. If you have hard time parting with your festive nail art after the holiday in question, for Miss Pop's Valentine's look, the nail artist used a spring brush to paint pink and purple kisses atop a soft pink background, leaving a translucent half moon that will turn into a waxing moon as your nails start to grow. So feel free to keep this manicure in place until St. Patrick's. Style number 3 is my favorite style, gold dipped nail art design. Welcome to our favorite kind manicure. Look extremely professional but easy to recreate at home with the right tools. Nail artist Teresa started with a coat of her favorite sheer base polish, Orle's rose colored glasses. Then she added a half layer of Kino gold foil flakes, which are supposed to look abstract and uneven. Next, she used a hurt stemmer to add a mix of white and red hearts before finishing with a glossy top coat. Folks who can't freehand paint, this look is for you. I hope today you like my video. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.